Hello and welcome. Stepper eyewear frames are not simply styled, they are engineered as optical instruments. From the earliest design stages, we focus on anatomical fit, ensuring the frame supports precise lens positioning. Advanced materials such as TX5 and titanium are selected for their lightweight, hypoallergenic, and stable properties. While modern manufacturing processes, such as injection molding and precision laser construction, ensure consistency and durability, this integration of design, material science, and manufacturing directly influences visual outcomes, enhancing lens performance, maintaining alignment, and delivering comfortable natural vision throughout the day. When we talk about vision correction, we often focus on lenses, but the frame is just as important. For over 50 years, Stepper Eyewear has focused on one core principle: anatomical fit. Not styling first, not trends, but how a frame interacts with the unique structure of the human face. Every curve, every angle, every contact point is considered to ensure the frame sits correctly, distributes weight evenly, and holds lenses in their optimal position. This is what transforms a frame from something you wear into something that works. Because when a frame is engineered around the face, it doesn't slip, it doesn't create pressure points, and it doesn't compromise visual performance. It simply feels right, from the moment it's fitted to the end of the day. The frame acts as the platform that allows lenses to perform correctly. If the frame does not fit well or does not hold its adjustment, even the best lenses cannot deliver optimal visual performance. A well-designed frame should almost disappear on the face. That is because good design distributes weight evenly and allows the frame to sit comfortably and securely. When a frame fits correctly, the lenses remain positioned exactly where the optician intended. This stability helps maintain correct vertex distance, pantoscopic angle, and centration. In other words, good frame design supports accurate visual correction. The materials used in a frame by Stepper Eyewear have a significant impact on comfort and durability. Titanium is widely used because it is incredibly strong while remaining extremely lightweight. It is also corrosion resistant and hypoallergenic. Advanced plastics such as TX5 provide flexibility and resilience while maintaining very low weight. Each material contributes differently to frame performance. Every frame begins with design and prototyping. Using computer-aided design tools, engineers model the frame structure and evaluate its ergonomics. Prototypes are then created to test comfort, balance, and fit. This process ensures that the final frame will perform correctly before production even begins. Once the design is finalized, production begins. Frame components are manufactured using many different processes, including injection molding TX5, CNC cutting beta titanium, and stamping titanium. Precision is essential. Even very small tolerances can influence how a frame performs once it is worn. Careful manufacturing ensures that each component meets strict dimensional standards.
For Stepper Eyewear, material selection is never incidental. It is a deliberate process based on function, fit, and long-term wearer comfort. Each material is chosen for its specific performance characteristics, ensuring the frame supports both the lenses and the wearer in equal measure. TX5 is an advanced copolyamide developed specifically for eyewear. It offers exceptional lightness, high stability, and durability, while maintaining precise shape retention. From a dispensing perspective, this ensures consistent lens positioning and reliable anatomical fit throughout the day. Titanium provides a different set of advantages. It is ultra-lightweight, highly durable, corrosion-resistant, and hypoallergenic. Its strength-to-weight ratio allows for refined, minimal structures without compromising stability or comfort. Beta titanium introduces enhanced flexibility. This allows components, particularly temples, to adapt to the wearer's head shape, improving retention and reducing pressure points. These materials, TX5, titanium, and beta titanium, can be used independently or in combination. The selection depends on the intended outcome: structural integrity, flexibility, weight distribution, and overall anatomical fit. For example, a TX5 front may be paired with beta titanium temples to balance stability with adaptive comfort. Alternatively, a full titanium construction may be selected where minimal weight and maximum durability are required. The objective is always the same: to create a frame that holds lenses precisely in position, maintains alignment, and delivers consistent comfort throughout the wearing day. In Stepper Eyewear, material selection is not about preference. It is about performance, precision, and achieving the perfect fit.
TX5 is stepper eyewear plastic material, not to be confused with the more generally used acetate. TX5 is one of the advanced materials behind our reputation for exceptional comfort and precision fit. Developed specifically for stepper eyewear, TX5 is a lightweight, high-performance polyamide that allows us to create frames that are strong, flexible, and incredibly light to wear. Through our precision injection molding process, each frame is formed in 3 dimensions, ensuring stability and durability while maintaining feather-like comfort. TX5 is processed using a high-precision injection molding technique. In this process, the material, an advanced copolyamide, is heated into a controlled liquid state and injected under pressure into a fully formed 3-dimensional mold. Simultaneously, a regulated cooling system stabilizes the material as it sets, ensuring dimensional accuracy across the entire frame structure. This method allows components such as hinge housings and structural details to be integrated directly into the frame during formation, rather than added or machined post-production. The result is a homogeneous structure with fewer stress points, improved mechanical integrity, and consistent reproducibility across production runs. From a clinical perspective, this translates into frames that maintain their geometry over time, supporting precise lens positioning, reduced need for adjustment, and dependable performance in daily wear. After the components are produced, they undergo finishing processes. These may include polishing, tumbling, or surface treatments. Finishing improves comfort, enhances durability, and gives the frame its final appearance. These steps ensure that the frame feels smooth and refined when worn. When we talk about titanium in eyewear, we're not just talking about a material, we're talking about a process, one that demands precision, expertise, and complete control. Titanium is chosen for a reason. It's exceptionally lightweight, highly durable, flexible, and hypoallergenic, making it ideal for all-day wear and sensitive skin. Titanium in eyewear is manufactured using a range of advanced processes, depending on the specific material and the function of each component. Pure titanium components are typically formed through multi-stage pressing processes, ensuring the precise strength and shape required for each part. Titanium processing demands specialist machinery, as the production of small, precision components requires large-scale, high-pressure pressing systems. Beta titanium, known for its flexibility, can be CNC cut from sheet material or formed directly into rim shapes with exceptional accuracy. Once constructed, all components undergo advanced surface finishing, most commonly through electromagnetic ion plating, delivering a durable, corrosion-resistant finish with long-lasting color. This level of engineering control ensures each element meets exact tolerances, critical for achieving both structural integrity and long-term fit stability. These components are then formed into precise 3-dimensional shapes, ensuring exact rim geometry and consistency across every frame. Each part is joined using laser welding in a controlled environment, ensuring strength, durability, and a seamless, refined finish. Frames are then carefully polished and finished to deliver a smooth, premium feel. Advanced coating techniques, such as ion plating, are applied to enhance durability, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting color. With TX5, color is typically applied after molding using advanced techniques such as spray coating, pad printing, or digital finishing. This allows for precise detailing, consistent finishes, and durable surface protection. The result is a frame that combines visual quality with long-term performance. The components are then assembled into the finished frame. Hinges are fitted, screws are installed, and the frame is carefully aligned. Precise assembly ensures that the frame maintains its adjustment and performs reliably during daily use. Before leaving the factory, every frame undergoes quality control checks. These checks verify alignment, structural integrity, and long-term durability within our own quality control facility. The goal is to ensure that each frame meets the high standards required for everyday wear. But why does this matter in practice? Because every stage of design, material selection, and manufacturing contributes to a frame that is lightweight enough for all-day comfort, strong enough to maintain its shape, and flexible enough to adapt precisely to the individual wearer. For dispensing opticians, this means fewer adjustments, greater stability, and a frame that continues to hold lenses in the correct position over time, supporting consistent, reliable vision. And for the wearer, it means something simpler, but just as important: a frame that stays comfortable, feels balanced, and works effortlessly throughout the day. Because when a frame fits properly, vision feels natural, and the eyewear simply feels right from morning to night. Great eyewear isn't something you think about. It's something you feel or don't feel at all. With stepper eyewear, every detail works quietly in the background, so your vision stays clear and your comfort lasts all day. Because the best frame is the one you forget you're wearing.